Hi, in this video I will show the OAuth consent process for the cross-compare app. So to open up the OAuth consent screen, we go to extensions and we find the name of the installed add-on, which is cross-compare, and we click on the only function, cross-compare. The script tries to run and this prompt appears. Click continue. And now it asks for an account that you will be using. So choose your account. And here we see a list of the different permissions that the app requires. So, first of all, it is asking to see, edit, create, delete all your Google Sheets. So this is required so that the macro can actually read in data from the sheet, do some comparisons between the columns in the data, and finally it needs edit rights to be able to add a completely new sheet where it will enter the results of the comparison. The second how do you call this? The second authentication requirement is so that the application can actually show you pop-up screens. So when you run the application, it will ask for you to tell which columns you want to compare to each other. So to be able to show this pop-up screen, the application actually needs your permissions to be able to show the pop-up screen. So this is what this second authentication thing is required for. Okay, so when you are ready to accept these permissions, you click on allow. And now the authentication requirements are accepted. So now we can try to run the macro again. And now that it's been authenticated, now it will run. So it first asks for the first column that will be used in the comparison. So I write the letter A because that's the first column I want to use. I click on yes, and then it asks for the second column. So this is column C that I want to use as the second column in the comparison. So I write here C, I click on yes, and then it finally has detected the two columns. I click on yes, and now it created a completely new sheet, and now it displays the data. In this case, it displays the invoice numbers that are found in both columns. Then we see that these invoice numbers are found only in the first column, and this invoice number is found only in the second column. And then there are a list of duplicates. So the cross-compare macro will give you a breakdown of the comparison of two columns. I hope you find this application useful for you to use. Thank you.